So, do you want to find out the winner of the Shark IQ Robot Vacuum from last week's Review to You video? Keep watching and we'll let you know. Hi, my name's Gary. And this is my buddy Matt. We're just a bunch of gadget nerds who are lucky enough to be invited by Amazon to participate in the very exclusive Vine Voices program. 3 times a week, we review all these cool products and give them away for free. To all of our subscribers, they get involved. There's Men's Mondays, Wednesday for Women, and Friday Fun Day for the kids and the whole family. Every product we review is up for grabs. To be in the running, you have to be subscribed to the channel, have liked the video, and typed in the comments section of that video the code word we mentioned throughout the video. So let's get to it. Let's announce a winner. Last week for Men Monday, we reviewed the Shark IQ Robot Vacuum and gave it a solid 4 out of 5 stars. So which lucky subscriber gets to take it home? And the winner of the Shark IQ Robot Vacuum is Dustin Green. Congratulations, Dustin. We're gonna get this packaged up and sent out to you ASAP. If you want a chance to be like Dustin Green, you can start by subscribing to Review to You and turning on notifications so you can be the first to try and claim each new product. Make sure you check out our other review videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.